Hi friends, welcome back. In this video again I am going to gift you 2 marks in the upcoming UPSC prelims examination. Guys, my name is Santosh Pandey and in the next 30 days every day I am going to gift you 2 marks. By Because I will be giving you those topics and questions which are going to come in the UPSC prelims examination. Guys, you may wonder how am I so confident that I can say that I am going to gift you 2 marks, because guys, I have myself cracked the prelims examination 6 out of 6 times with one of the highest score ever scored by any UPSC aspirant. You can see some of my scorecards, and for last few years I have helped tens and thousands of aspirants in cracking the prelims examination. People who have followed my important topic list have scored very high in UPSC prelims examination. Guys, today in this video I am going to gift you a region which is going to be asked in UPSC prelims examination either in the map form or in the organization form. So guys, let us begin. So guys, that region is the West Africa region. Guys, you can see here Burkina Faso, Mali and Niger have finalized a regional alliance project. So guys, these three countries have decided that they are going to quit the Economic Community of West African States, which is called ECOWAS. And what is the reason? The reason is this ECOWAS grouping is under French influence. Guys, these countries were basically colonies of French. Okay, so guys, now these countries are saying that this grouping, which is the ECOWAS group, has a French influence. So they want to come out of the French influence and they want to set up their own alliance. And the name of the alliance is, you can see here, Confederation of Alliance of Sahel State. Okay, so this region, Sahel region, is a very important region for the prelims examination 2024. Guys, UPSC gives regions and they gives you Y in news, or they give you region and which country or which continent it is located. So this year this Sahel region and this ECOWAS community and one more region which is situated in the Sahel region only, which is this region of Liptako Gourma. Liptako Gourma, you can see here Liptako Gourma, which is basically, you see, at the tri-junction of Mali, Niger and Burkina Faso, these three countries. This region is a very unstable region. Lot of radical groups are operating here. So Liptako Gourma region can be asked in the UPSC prelims examination. Guys, this project is called the Three Borders Project. The three country, which is Burkina Faso, Mali and Niger, basically they are coming together to basically bring stability in this region, which is the Liptako Gourma region. However, they have decided to come out of the ECOWAS because they say that ECOWAS is under French influence. Another topic related to this is Sahel region. What is this Sahel region? You can see here. Okay, French, okay, has announced a decade-old uh, alliance called Operation Barkhane in the West African region. So this guy is France. Okay, these were colonies of France previously. Now they are independent countries, but still France is operating here. So that is why these countries, they want to basically remove the French forces from their land, okay, on the context of sovereignty. So what is this Sahel region? They can ask you Sahel region, which are the countries situated in the Sahel region. You can see Sudan, Chad, Niger, Nigeria, Mali, then Burkina Faso and Mauritania, Senegal. These are the countries which are situated in the Sahel region. Sahel region is a region which is situated between the Sahara, okay, you can see here, and you can see here Sahara and the Savannah. Okay, so this is the uh, Sahel region, which is very, very important. You may get questions on Sahel region, you may get questions on Liptako Gourma region, or you may get question on this Three Borders project, or you may get question on this alliance of Sahel states, or you may get question on ECOWAS. So guys, I have created this card. You can see here two cards I have created. This is ECOWAS. Basically, ECOWAS is a regional organization of 15 Asian West African countries. Please pardon me for this. So guys, West African countries, so it was established as part of the Treaty of Lagos, and you see there were around 15 countries: Benin, Burkina Faso, then Cabo Verde, Cote d'Ivoire, Gambia, Ghana, Guinea, Guinea-Bissau, Liberia, Mali, Niger, Nigeria, Sierra Leone, Senegal and Togo. However, now these three countries have threatened that they will come out of this. So which are these three countries? Mali, Niger and Burkina Faso, they have threatened that they will come out of this. Okay, guys. So Sahel region is very, very important. Is a kind of transitional region between Sahara and the savannas. And there is something called G5 alliance. G5 alliance was a security kind of alliance. Okay, between countries. You can see here Burkina Faso, Chad, Mali, Mauritania, and Niger to bring stability in this region. Very, very important. This G5 alliance is also in news. So, guys, okay, Operation Barkhane was a part of it. Okay, the French Operation Barkhane against the Islamist forces there. Okay, guys. So these countries have also decided to come out of this G5 alliance also. It is also in news. So guys, questions can come on the region, question can come on the groupings, a question can come on the three border project. So guys, like this, okay, I have created a list of important questions which is in the 7 FLTs and the 7 sectional tests. If you attempt these 15 tests, your chances of qualifying prelims will be very high. I would also recommend get hold of my PPP of 1 year. It will help you cover the current affairs of last 1 year. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care.